We've talked about the potential benefits and the challenges,
Yeah.
but we also need to think about the bigger picture.
Right.
What does all this mean for workers and communities?
Absolutely. Technological advancements shouldn't come at the expense of people's livelihoods. We need to look for solutions that benefit the environment and society as a whole.
We've spent the last two parts talking about GT Pack Industries
Uh,
and their big bet on retort pouches,
yeah.
but let's look beyond the grocery store for a minute.
Okay.
Where else could this technology make a real difference?
That's a great question.
What does the future hold for these pouches?
Well, what's exciting is that their potential goes way beyond just food packaging.
Really?
Think about situations where you need portability and durability
Okay.
and a long shelf life.
Give me an example.
Okay, imagine you're on a backpacking trip,
Right.
miles from civilization.
Yeah.
Instead of hauling around heavy cans or worrying about keeping things cold,
Yeah.
you've got these lightweight retort pouches packed with delicious, ready-to-eat meals.
Genius.
Less weight, less waste.
And more deliciousness.
Exactly.
I'm sold. What else?
Think about emergency preparedness.
Okay.
These pouches could be a game changer for disaster relief,
Oh, wow.
providing safe, shelf-stable food and supplies that are easy to transport and distribute.
They're compact and durable,
Yeah.
and they can handle extreme temperatures.
Like they were made for tough situations.
Exactly, and it doesn't stop there.
Nope.
What about the military?
Oh, yeah, good one.
Soldiers in the field need lightweight, nutritious food that can survive tough conditions.
For sure.
Retort pouches could be the future of field rations.
Much better than those old MREs.
I bet the food would taste a whole lot better, too.
Definitely. And the possibilities are really endless.
Endless.
We could even see them being used to package medical supplies,
Oh, that's interesting.
keeping them sterile and protected.
No matter the environment.
Exactly.
It's amazing to think that something as simple as a pouch
I know, right?
could have such a wide-reaching impact.
It really shows how small changes
Yeah.
can sometimes lead to the biggest transformations.
But we can't forget about sustainability.
Right, we talked about the need for recyclable options, but what other innovations are out there?
What's next for the retort pouch?
That's the big question.
What about those biodegradable materials we hear so much about?
Yeah, could those be used for pouches? Absolutely, researchers are already looking into that,
Right.
using materials that would allow the pouches to decompose naturally.
So you're telling me
Yeah,
a pouch could just disappear,
that's the goal.
leaving no trace behind?
It would be a huge step forward in reducing plastic waste.
Talk about closing the loop on sustainability.
Exactly. And here's another one.
Okay, hit me.
Smart packaging.
Smart packaging. What's that?
Imagine a pouch with sensors in it
Okay.
that can actually track the freshness of the food.
Wait. So the pouch could tell me when my food is going bad.
It could give you an alert.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Think of how much food waste that would prevent.
It's all about giving consumers more information
Yeah.
and helping them make better choices.
I love it. It feels like we're just scratching the surface of what's possible.
I think we are.
What else do you see in the future for retort pouches?
Well, one thing that's really interesting is personalized nutrition.
Right.
Imagine ordering a custom blend of ingredients
Right.
tailored to your specific dietary needs.
Like a meal kit, but even more personalized.
Exactly, and with a much longer shelf life.
That's brilliant.
It's all about convenience, customization, and sustainability.
It sounds like it.
And as technology keeps developing,
Yeah.
who knows what other possibilities will come up.
It's really exciting.
The future of retort pouches is really only limited by our imagination.
Well, it's been quite a journey exploring the world of retort pouches with you today.
It has.
We started with this blog post from GT Pack Industries,
Yeah,
and look where we ended up.
it's pretty amazing.
It just goes to show that curiosity and staying informed about new innovations is so important.
Absolutely. It helps us understand the world around us.
So to our listeners, we say keep an eye out for those sleek stand-up pouches.
You might just be looking at the future.
They could be a glimpse into a more sustainable, convenient, and delicious future.
And remember, the future isn't something that just happens.
Right.
It's something we create.
So what role will you play in shaping the future of food packaging?
That's something to think about.
That's all for this deep dive. Thanks for joining us in your side.